It's Monday. This is the first of our maths YouTube videos for today. Pretty easy stuff on the quick maths. You've got something similar on Dojo, so we'll just get on with it. We're going to meters. Adam B, are you feeling nice and awake? I've got 0.5 kilometers. How many meters?
50.
Well, that's not how we're meant to be starting, is it? We'll try that again. Adam, remember, if you're getting it wrong or you're not sure or you're stuck or your brain's fallen out over the weekend, all we have to think, Adam, is 1 kilometre. How many metres?
1,000.
Right, now we've got that little bit of information banged inside our brain. I don't think you'll go wrong. So I've got half a kilometre. How many metres? 500. There we go. Getting it wrong is not necessarily a bad thing, as long as you can use it to then get it right. So, Mr. Thulis, 1.6 kilometres. How many?
1,600.
1,600 metres. Now we're underway. I've only got 0.02 kilometres. So, Leah, what will that be?
In 20 metres?
That will be 20 metres. If you're stuck, remember it can go up to 0.999 metres. Yeah? Kilometres, sorry. We can have 3 numbers here. If we've only got 1 number, it's because there are 2 zeros missing. If we've only got 1 number, it's because there are 2 zeros missing. So on this one, if we've got 0.02, there should be 1, 2, 3 numbers giving us 20, yeah? Don't go with 2, definitely 20. Clean that off and do the last one. 1.37 kilometres, pretty straightforward. Lily May, what forgot?
1,370.
1,370 metres. See, we should have 1, 2, 3 numbers there. There's a 0 missing because maths dudes are lazy dudes. On we go. Going the other way, we've got kilometres and metres again. This time you're given the metres. We've got to go to the kilometres just in case. I mean, it is Monday morning, let's face it. Mr. Burgoyne, in a kilometre, let's remind ourselves, how many metres?
1,000.
Okay, so as long as we've got these numbers in our heads, we should be fine. Okay, Adam, ready? 18 metres, how many kilometres?
0.018.
Perfect. Make sure we're getting kilometres at the end, pretty straightforward. No, I've got 124 metres, how many kilometres?
0.124 kilometres.
Perfect, thank you. And again, we're looking for 1, 2, 3 numbers, if we can. Lucia B, pressure's on. I got 1,817 metres. 1.817 kilometres, because there's my 1,000, leaving me 0.817. I've only got 1 metre. Oh, Coops.
0.004.
Kilometres.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hopefully that's pretty straightforward. We have done those before. In fact, I think we've done all of this before. Think of it as a revision. A little practice. This is fairly easy. Mia, I got 2.5 hours. I need to know how many minutes. Should we break it down or just want to give me the answer straight away? Break it down. Wise words from Mia. Always break it down. Unless it's a car and you're trying to drive somewhere. Don't break that down. Mia, in 2 hours, how many minutes? 120. And if you're stuck at that point, break it down further. In 1 hour, we know we got 60. So in 2 hours, we know we got 120. Easy. Now we just got to worry about this 0.5. Now at this point, some people completely freak out and add 5 minutes on. Stupid. Some people might add 50 minutes on. Also stupid. Mia won't, because she's not stupid. Mia, in 0.5 hours, how many minutes?
Is it 30?
It's 30, isn't it? Remember your 0.5 of an hour, we're saying half an hour, okay? We know half an hour is 30 minutes. All we've got to do with this 30 minutes is bang it onto our 120 minutes, giving us, hello, 150 minutes in 2.5 hours. Adam B, does it make perfect sense?
Yeah.
Good, let's clean it up and do another one. We're not going to do them all, because I reckon you can do most of them. We'll get Cooper in to help us with this though. Now hang on, Coops, hang on. Let's remind ourselves and the folks at home, 1 hour, how many minutes?
60.
Okay, and then this is the only tricky bit, we've got 0.75.
45.
That's 45, well done.
Which would
Oh, go on then.
the answer would be 105.
Coops is racing ahead to get 105 minutes, just in case you're not sure. 0.75 of an hour, 3/4 of an hour. You should know 3/4 of an hour is 45 minutes, because Cooper did, then he added it together. Think about what the decimal means. So you got your half, you got your 3/4, you got your quarter, and you got your 3/4 again. Have a play with those. We're not doing them all, not right now. I reckon you can do with that. Add it, write it down if you want, then add it, whatever. Easy one. This is also easy, slightly differently presented, but we've done it before. So if we get Mia in, Mia, half of 1/7.
1/14.
Okay, just 1/14. Now you can probably do these in your head, but we will really quickly go through the simple way of how to do it. Remember half of, we can also write a different way. So Noah, in maths, how can you write of as times? Thank you. Giving us half times. If we put half times 1/7, we know we just go across, which gives us 1 times 1, which is 1, 2 times 7, which is 14. That's what we've already got. You can take the shortcut if you want by simply doubling the bottom number. Weird but true, but you already know this, don't you? Look, Leah, 1/9, please. What is half times 1/9?
1/18.
1/18, and then the last one for Lucia B, we got 2/12. It doesn't matter what that number is there. What do we need to do? 2/24, nice. Either write it down and work across, or just double the bottom number and take the shortcut. Easy, right? Do we need to do these? Surely not. It's Monday. We will do one. It's Monday. Let's pop a cheeky times in and get Charlie to do 6% times 700. Charles, what have you got? You got 42. She's slow today. It's Monday. 42. Charlie, just to prove to everyone at home that you're actually really fast, we've now got 6% times 400. 24. Easy, right? Get rid of the zeros first, then do the multiplication. Nah, you can do those. Oh, we'll check that though. Cooper,
Yeah.
triangle, total inside angles.
180 degrees.
Perfect. If we know all the angles add up to 180 inside our triangle, we won't go wrong, unless we can't add up and take away. Then we might go wrong. Leah, what's that worth?
90 degrees.
So our right angle is 90 degrees. We've got 41 degrees. Leah, what should I do with 90 and 41?
Add them together.
Perfect. What would I get?
131.
So what would I do now with my 180 and my 131?
Take more.
Splendid. What's 180 take 131?
49.
49 degrees, which must be my missing angle of x. Easy, right? Next one's even more simple, as long as we know a number. Aha, let's hope Burgoyne says the right number. Mr. Burgoyne, I've got an x angle here, and I've got an 83 degree angle here. I'm going to need one more number.
Is it because it's on the line that it's 180?
Perfect, well done, because we haven't actually done this one before. We know right angle, 90 degrees. We know all the way around, 360 degrees. If we go halfway, we've either got 2 right angles or half of 360, both which give us 180. Mr. Burgoyne is totally right. Our straight line is worth 180 degrees. Adam, now we've got that information. If I know 83 of my degrees are here, how do I find out what's here?
Take away 83 from 180.
Well, it gives us a nice, easy little operation to do. What is it?
97.
97 degrees. So my missing chunk must be 97 degrees, because that one and that one must get me to that one. Easy, right? Nice. Factors of 80, multiples of 90. I know you can do this, so I'll just randomly pick on Sophia to do 3 of each. Sophia, please, may I have 3 factors of 80?
40.
40's lovely.
20.
20's lovely.
2.
Oh, 2's my favourite one so far. Just in case you're lost, all these numbers have to plop into 80. There they go. Plop, plop, plop. Hello! It's time for a guest appearance from today's VIP. It's Izzy. Would you like to wave?
Hello.
There's Izzy arriving ever so slightly late. To the untrained eye, it looks like 20 minutes. But we won't mention that on YouTube. Don't worry, Izzy, at least you made it. Anyway, you can help us out with this. Hello. Izzy, I need some multiples of 90, please. Can I have 3? Pressure's on.
30.
Make sure these are multiples and not factors.
Alright. 180.
180 is nice.
270.
270 is nice.
And 360.
Perfect, Izzy. Well done. And just in case you're lost, or maybe you're late, you haven't turned up yet, 90 has to go into these. They're kind of the opposites, right? These ones go in there, and these ones, that one goes in there. Hopefully that makes sense. You still can't do a square. And you still can't do a rectangle. We did these all last week. Watch last week's again. That's way too easy. Or is it? Yes, it is. We'll do it anyway. Izzy will pick on you because you've only just turned up. But at least you're here, Izzy. At least you're here. Not like the folks at home. They were at home. How many 7s are in 14?
2.
Oh, this is easy. How many 7s are in 7?
1.
Oh, how many 7s are in nothing?
None.
Nothing and none. Thanks. On we go then. Really? Should we do that? Should we just pick on Izzy again? It's Pick on Izzy Monday. Izzy, ready? It's 0.8. We times by 10. What do we get?
8.
8. Okay, it's 0.8. We divide by 10. What do we get?
0.08.
0.08 is 0.8. We times it by 100.
80.
80. She's doing very well here, although it is very easy. It's 0.8. We divide it by 100.
0.008.
Yay! Well done, Izzy. And that was all the quick maths today. That was simple. So it's bye from me. Bye. And it's bye from them.
Bye.